Hey, I'm going to run through how to play the game Dixma for Figma really quick. It's inspired by Dixit, thus the name. If you search in the community, you'll find Dixma, and then that'll include a link to get the plugin. So you and 3 to 11, 4 to 12 players total, can come in here and you'll enter your names next to the token you like. Today I'm going to play with bunny, duck, and hippo. And then you'll hit start game, and then each player will get a page generated for them. And then you have to choose a clue that you think will get people to pick your card, but ambiguous enough that maybe not everyone will pick it. So I'm going to pick choices as my clue, and I'll play this card, and then we'll wait for bunny, duck, and hippo to play. Okay. Looks like bunny, duck, and hippo have played because we see the green check mark here. So we'll go back to the board, and here's where the cards will show up. We'll hit reveal cards, and then more than one player can run the plugin if they want to see the status of the voting. So I don't vote, but bunny, duck, and hippo do vote, and they're just trying to guess which one of these I put down originally as the storyteller. And so we have choices, this dog made some choices, and this man appears to be choosing a very similar shirt to his current one. And so we'll just show what the voting looks like. So bunny would come in here and he thinks that it's number 1. And then we'll wait for the duck and hippo to vote. It looks like duck and hippo have voted now. And again, I wouldn't normally look at bunny's page, but I just wanted to show how the game works. So we'll back to the board and we can reveal the voting tokens. It looks like bunny and duck correctly guessed my picture. So they will each get 3 points. And then since at least one, but not all the players guessing, guessed that picture, I also get 3 points as the storyteller. And then the hippo chose bunny's photo, so bunny gets 1 more point. And so basically you'll hit begin next round, you have a new storyteller, and that's pretty much it. You play to 30 points, and you can add players by entering their names here and then clicking here. You reset the game at the end of the game here, and you can also remove players just by deleting their page if someone has to step out. Thanks!